G'day guys, Darren here from Integrity New Homes. Got another one of these renovation versus knockdown rebuild projects that we're looking at over in Rochedale. This project once again ended up on the renovation side based on what they were doing. We're doing a full strip out on this home, full gut out, bathrooms, everything. As you can see, you know, all the cladding, all the plasterboard, all the linings, full gut out. The back deck, all the decking is removed. The carport's being removed. It's all new. So either way, it's still in this case ended up being more cost effective to renovate what was here than it was to knock down rebuild, because this project or this home, it's a very solid home. So you know, the roof, the frames, the slab are all great. So the bones are great, so we work with what we got, and we do a refurb on this one. This will take probably the best part of 6 months, just given the current nature of the market and whatever. But look, it is what it is, and these clients are going to end up with a beautiful new home, refurbished and decked out the way they want.